Have you ever wished your computer could just predict what you need before you even ask? Well, that dream is getting closer to reality. A recent post on Reddit's tech subreddit reveals some mind-blowing advancements in artificial intelligence, specifically, a new system designed to enhance user experience by learning your habits and preferences. So, what's the scoop? Imagine an AI that closely analyzes how you use your devices, whether it's the apps you favor or the websites you visit. This tech taps into machine learning to adapt and offer personalized suggestions, everything from optimizing your workflow to suggesting the perfect playlist for your study session. It's like having a digital sidekick that knows you inside and out. Why does this matter? In a world where technology surrounds us, personalized experiences can save time and reduce frustration. Whether you're a student juggling assignments or a professional looking to boost productivity, this AI technology aims to make your life easier. Here's the key takeaway. Keep an eye out for gadgets and software leveraging this smarter AI. Embrace these innovations as they roll out, and don't hesitate to explore customizable settings that let the tech really cater to your needs. Familiarizing yourself with these advancements can give you a competitive edge, making everyday tasks smoother and more enjoyable. This is today's tech update for July 28, 2025.